India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
The news bulletin is brought to you by SRVNs of Grade-VII Jasper. International news is brought to you by N. Arjun from Grade-VII Jasper. International news. Because of Iran and Israel war, the world is suffering with fuel and oil. National news. Some states are planning to reduce exams in their schools. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's state and sport news is brought to you by B section of Grade-VII Jasper. State news. Telangana BJP president has detained after protesting against the state government, while the other party leaders are petitioning governor over the suspension of 3 BJP MLAs. Sport news. Officially, IPL has released first phase 20 matches and the SRH has announced new captain as Ishan Kishan. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's weather report is brought to you by G. Hemant of Grade-VII Jasper. Weather report. Minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 36 degrees Celsius. Precipitation 15%. Humidity 34%. Wind speed 13 km per hour. Thank you. This is end of news bulletin.
Today's what is brought to you by Shivashankar from Grade-VII Jasper. What? Resilient, meaning the ability to recover quickly from difficulties or bounce back after a setback. Friends, please spell after me. Resilient. R-E-S-I-L-I-E-N-T. Resilient. Thank you.
Everyone who are present in this assembly. I am Vamshi of Grade-VII Jasper. Today I am going to deliver you a thought. Before delivering a thought, I want to tell an inspiring story about a great person who has invented the bulb. Can anyone name? Thomas Alva Edison. Yes, it is Thomas Alva Edison. Before creating a bulb, Edison faced many struggles. At a point, if he thought, I would never make a bulb. But he thought in positive way and followed a great thought. Try until you success. Thank you. Have a nice day. Yes, GK questions on science is brought to you by Mahesh of Grade-VII Jasper. Question for Grade-VII. What is the basic unit of life? Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is cell. Let us all appreciate them. Question for Grade-VIII. What is name of our galaxy? Milky Way Galaxy. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is Milky Way Galaxy. Let us all appreciate them. Question for Grade-IX. What is the obtained gas in Earth's atmosphere? I repeat my question. What is the obtained gas present in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Yes, pick the right answer and the answer is nitrogen. Let us all appreciate them. Open question for all. Question number 1. Who is the first person on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is Neil Armstrong. Let us all appreciate them. Question number 2. Outermost layer of the earth is called? Crust. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is crust. Let us all appreciate them. Question number 3. Powerhouse of a cell is called? Mitochondria. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is mitochondria. Let us all appreciate them. Thank you. Have a good day.
My name is Lahari. And I am Sanayu. We are from Grade-VII Jasper. Now we are going to do conversation on technology before and after 2000. Hey Sari, how are you? I am fine, Lahari. How about you? I am good. Now let's talk about technology before and after 2000. Sure, Lahari. Before 2000, technology was very limited and compared to today's. Right, Sariyu. And people used to use basic computers and landlines, and internet was slow and not available everywhere.
Yes, Larry, and mobile phones were rare. Most of people used to use landlines and telephones.
After 2000, technology is developed and smartphones, laptops, and high-speed internet became common.
Exactly, Lahari. Now we can do anything like online shopping, studying, and video callings from our phones.
Social media became common.
True, we can connect with people worldwide instantly.
In education, technology helped to learn easily by online classes and digital resources.
In some situations, too much of technology can be also distracting people.
That's right, Sariyu. It depends on how we use it.
Overall, technology after 2000 became faster and convenient to people.
But technology before 2000 helped people to live simpler life. Thank you. Have a good day.